Well, here we are. Right beyond there is the market in French Quarter in the river area. I just got my first dollar bill. See there? From a guy who was giving me a dollar bill after he noticed. I stopped to look at his crawfish. He was boiling crawfish. And he goes, "Lordy, lordy, look who's 40. And here's $1. And he gave me $1. So I got my first dollar. So that's awesome. So here we are. How beautiful that is. Look across the street there. There's a lot to do.
So, what looking over there?
A lot of cruise ships or whatever.
Yeah.
You see those cruise ships?
Yeah.
Now what area, we also see like the trolley right here. How do you say that? Dumaine Street?
Yeah.
And we might take the trolley back.
Domain?
Huh. So, rain stopped, all is good.